Hi, hello everyone. Today we have with us Vivian. I am Shivjot, and Vivian has been actively even working on the weight loss system. And she herself has lost about 4 kgs initially, and after the program, another 2. So maybe Vivian, you can cover first what do you do, and then your experiences with the program.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Vivian, and I have a background in aviation. And in aviation, it's a very glamorous position, a very good job. So I always made sure that I look good. I carried myself well, and my weight was pretty good. Actually, it was not that I was very fat or I was very thin. I was reasonable weight, but there was a certain portion of my body which was always very troublesome for me, because it was the visceral fat, the area around your waist, your hips. And I like to dress well, and I like to wear certain clothes, and that part of my body used to jut out very badly. So it was always on my mind, and I always felt I needed to do something about it, but did not know what to do. So saw this program and decided to go through the program. In 45 days, I learned how to eat healthy, to eat the right proportion of food, the right macro nutrients and the micronutrients, understood the importance of these nutrients in our body. And that's how, in 45 days, I was able to get rid of that stubborn fat, and felt good overall, energetic, enthusiastic, and so got a very good result. And later on, after the program got over, I was able to control my eating habits, ate healthy, and I was able to even lose some more weight and reach my ideal weight. So that was the most exciting thing, that after the program, you're still able to eat healthy and maintain the weight loss and lose some more. So that was the most exciting part of the entire BK45 program.
Good, that's great. And you've already covered, but it is my favorite question to ask everyone, even on one-to-one calls, I ask that question. So, how do you feel your energy levels, and if you can cover that?
Right. So, earlier I used to feel very tired and very sluggish. At the end of the day, you're just waiting to sleep. But I think after I increased, the protein content in my food, started understanding the importance of protein, how we can eat more of it, reduce the cravings for carbs and sugars. I think the energy levels went up, started feeling very, very light, very happy. So I think all this made a lot of difference. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. I personally, I was on a very high protein diet, as you know, and last 24 days, I've even gone to the next level with protein. And it's so funny. I just saw this post wherein some very not so fit guy is telling this very fit guy who goes to the gym, has protein, has all the right food. And this not so fit guy is telling him, oh, be careful what you eat. This might be killing you. So, but I mean, that is what it's nobody's fault. But I think if you could cover, since you have a lot of knowledge in this area, if you could cover your experiences with even with other people who've increased their protein intake. So how do you see that?
So, during the pandemic, after I got the confidence that I could lose weight by eating healthy.
Yeah.
With the confidence that I got, I then helped a number of people, over 25 people, to lose weight in a very, a scientific manner, with using the right kind of supplements of Neutralite. And that gave me a lot of, confidence. People have lost anywhere between 4 kgs to 18 kgs, my clients, and just by eating healthy. They became conscious about what they are eating, the awareness increased, they increased the protein content in their food, and the fat started kind of melting away, I can say. And I think that gave them very good results, and that's what I would say is the best thing about the program.
So no starvation. I mean, I talk to people and they're scared to get into a program because they might not have to. I mean, maybe they will be asked to eat very less food, and then when they start eating regular food, they'll put on the weight. So, what is your experience with that?
Yeah, many people that I contacted, their first problem area was that what happens when the program gets over. I have heard that, after you do any kind of diet program and then you stop it, you are going to put on the weight that you already lost. Whether it's an exercise program, whether it's a diet program, everybody has the same issue. And I assured all of them that what you're going to learn in this entire program is how to eat healthy, how to eat the right amount of nutrients at the right time, how you maintain intervals, and you're going to eat everything. So many a times people thought that, you won't be able to eat non-veg because they think in a diet, if you go on a diet, you need to eat only vegetarian
And
food.
you need
And
to punish yourself by eating all the boring
yes,
stuff.
yes, eat only boring stuff, only eat boiled vegetables
Yeah,
and eat very less. And people had so many myths, which
yeah,
through the program and because of the knowledge that I gained through the program, I was able to tell them confidently it's such a fantastic program, it's such a flexible program.
yeah,
You'll be eating everything and you will never know that you were on a diet. And right enough, everybody who did the program at the end of it, they were very happy because they ate everything that they wanted to, except that they reduced their carb content and increased good fats and good, kind of good proteins. Another myth that people have is that you should not be eating butter and cheese and ghee and, like oils, good oils. And we were like promoting,
yeah.
have ghee, have good coconut oil or whatever it may be. So, so many myths we were able to, help solve. And I think that was a very exciting part for most of the people who were on the program.
Yeah, good, good. Thanks. When maybe we can do a bigger video, as in lengthier video on this, and we could take some advantage of your knowledge you have gathered by doing the program yourself and then teaching others how to eat right. So I think, I mean, it is a business, of course, but I think it's a very good. Good thing you're doing for the community. It's a very noble job you're on. So congratulations and keep up the good work. So may many more people benefit from your knowledge, and we'll definitely do one more long call with you. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time.
Sure. Sure.